Hello, my name is Charles Fleischer, and I am the Dragon Voice Recognition Pro. And I'm going to share with you today how you can actually add punctuation after the fact. So either you didn't feel like putting punctuation in while you were doing your dictation, or you missed some. Now, I'm going to do it in a way that it's not going to actually be correct on the page. I'm just going to give you an example of how you could quickly insert punctuation. So I'm going to start again by starting the microphone, turning the microphone on. Wake up. Insert after business. Insert after business. Period. Insert after spinal cord. Choose two. Question mark. As you see, if the word appears more than twice in a document, a list will come up, and you can choose from that list. I'll show you again. Choose and. Scratch that. Select and. Stop listening. So as you see, a bunch of different numbers came up. That recognizes all the different ands in this paragraph. But I'm going to go ahead and continue to add punctuation. Wake up. Insert after 1,000. Insert after thousands. Exclamation mark. Insert after people. 2. Question mark. Insert after overcome. Period. Stop listening. So as you can see, you could say insert after and then choose any word or text on the document. You could also say insert before, or you could say insert after a series of words, or you could say insert before a series of words. And that's easy. That's how easy it is for you to insert punctuation after the fact without a whole lot of effort. Once again, I am Charles Fleischer, the Dragon Voice Recognition Pro, and you can subscribe to my YouTube channel right here on this page, or you could visit my website and learn more about the benefits of voice recognition and how you can get an e-course which explains in more depth how to easily get started using voice recognition. See you again soon. Bye-bye.